Good morning, students. Welcome to Shri Academy online classes. So, today we are going to study Chapter 6 Types of Houses, Explanation and Word Meaning. So let's start with word meaning. First word meaning is comfort. 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 Comfort means aram. I repeat, COMFORT. Comfort. Comfort means aram. Next is temporary. TEMPORARY. Temporary means asthai. I repeat. TEMPORARY. Temporary. Temporary means asthai. Next is nature. 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 Nature means prakriti. I repeat. Nature. NATURE. Nature means prakriti. Now next one meaning is float. FLOAT. Float means now. I repeat. Float. FLOAT. Float means now. Next is synthetic. SYNTHETIC. Synthetic means kritam. I repeat. Synthetic. SYNTHETIC. Synthetic means kritrim. Next is healthy. HEALTHY. Healthy means swasth. I repeat, HEALTHY. Healthy. Healthy means swasth. Now let's see some word meaning from books. So first word meaning is nomads. Nomads means people traveling from one place to another. Next is caravan. CARAVAN. Caravan means a house on wheels. Next is canvas. CANVAS. Canvas means a strong cloth used to make tents and sails. Next is log huts. LOGHUTS huts. Log huts. Log huts means hut made up of wood. Next is igloo. Igloo means a dome shaped house made of ice and snow. Next is stilts. STILTS. Each of set of posts and supporting a building. So let's move on to the explanation. So first we will know about types of houses. There are two types of houses, permanent houses and temporary houses. So what are permanent houses? Permanent houses means when people makes a plan to live in one place for a long period. That means anybody of us makes a plan for living at any particular place for a very long period or for a lifetime. They build a permanent house. The permanent house are made up of stones, bricks, sand, cement, steel, glass and wood. These are the particles with the help of permanent house are made up of. The permanent houses are built with the help of engineer, architect, mason, laborers, plumbers and carpenters. These are called pakka houses. Means permanent houses can also be called pakka houses and these are made up of with the help of engineers, architects, plumber, carpenter, laborers. So these people helps to make the permanent house. Permanent house means the pakka house. So let's see some image of permanent house. You can see a image a pakka house and a kacha house. There the definition differentiate between pakka and kacha house. So these in first picture you can see a pakka house means a permanent house. Now let's see what are temporary house. So you can see a chart that shows the different types of temporary houses. So first type is hut, second is log hut, third is stittle hut house, fourth is houseboat, fifth is tent, and the last one is igloo. So let's know briefly about these all types of temporary houses. So let's know what is the meaning of temporary house. These houses are made of to live for a short time means temporary house is made for living a short time. These houses are made up of mud, straw or wood. Only three things are used to make this house. Hut. So first we are going to study about hut. What are huts? Huts are made up of straws. We know that huts are made up of straws. We find these temporary houses in village. We can only see hut in village only. So you can see in this picture, you can see this is a hut. So this is a temporary house. Now second house is log hut. What is log hut? Log huts built in the forest and hilly areas where logs are found in abundance, and these huts are part of nature. That means log houses are made only in forest and hilly areas. So you can see the image. This is a picture of a log hut where it is only prepared in hilly areas. Now next is house on stilt, the area where heavy rainfall is regular feature. Houses are built on steel. That means where we can see a heavy rainfall, there people used to prepare steel houses for a heavy rainfall. So you can see in the picture a house steel. It is made in only a rainy areas. Now next, houseboats. Houseboats are houses which are built on boats. They are made up of wood and they float on water. Means houseboats are made on a boat and they float on water. They are primarily found in Kashmir and Kerala. You can find houseboats only in Kashmir and Kerala very famously. Now you can see the picture of a houseboat. This is a houseboat. Now next topic is tent. The most commonly used temporary house is tent. Tent is very commonly used for a temporary house. Tent are made up of canvas and a synthetic clothes. Tent can be made of a canvas and synthetic clothes also. It's a very temporary house. We prepare for our picnics, for our fun, and many more other uses. So you can see the picture of a tent. This is made up of a synthetic cloth. Now next topic is igloo. A dome shaped house made of snow and ice. This is a igloo is made up of a dome shaped with ice and snow. You can see the igloo. This is a picture of an igloo. Now next is caravan. A caravan is a house on wheel. It is a mobile house. Caravan is which type of house? It is a type of house that is made on wheel. It is also a temporary house. You can see in a picture this is a house on wheel. Now next we will study about a clean house. We should keep the house spick and span. We know very well spick and span means neat and clean. Mosquitoes and rats, they can make us sick. As we know that if our house is not spick and span, not neat and clean, then mosquitoes and rats would be there and they can make us sick. Windows let in fresh air and sunlight. Thus, an ideal house should have enough doors and windows. Means a good and a proper house should always have a window and doors. Doors and windows should have seen door. A clean house is a healthy house. Means we have to maintain our house very neat and clean for our good health. So as you can see in this picture, this is a picture of clean house and a dirty house. So I hope that you all get understood. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.